Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz 2019. The scores are Vere Technical High on 14 points, Manning School on 15 points. You'll have noticed Manning School lost a point during the break. The judges decided not to accept their answer to the question, what is the name of the strait in the Caribbean that separates the BVI's and Anguilla while connecting the Caribbean and the Atlantic Ocean? The judges heard Honeygadda. The answer is Anegada Passage. So with that, it's 14 to 15, and we get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified, please, before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. Your first question is from Bible Knowledge. Which descendant of Cain has been described as the ancestor of all who live in tents and raise livestock? Jabal. Biology, what is the general term used to describe a plant that has been crossed with different species? Via technical. Hybrid. That's right. English language. Which 8-letter verb starting with R means to rebound off a surface? Manning School. Ricochet. Good. International affairs, a visual one. Teams, look at the following clip and identify this person, please. Via technical.
Alexander van der Bellen.
President of Austria, correct. Chemistry. What is defined as precisely 1/12 the mass of an atom? Via technical.
Relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass.
Atomic mass unit, or AMU. Judges. Music and audio. Listen to the following clip, teams, and give the title of this song, please. Manning School.
Seven rings. Good boy.
Seven rings.
By Ariana Grande, correct. General knowledge. Who was the Greek goddess of love, beauty? Manning School.
Aphrodite.
Aphrodite.
That's right. Spanish. What is the English translation for Bailando en la lluvia? Manning School.
Dancing in the rain.
Dancing in the rain.
That's right. Geography. Which is the shallowest of the world's oceans? Via technical.
Next one. Arctic Ocean.
Arctic Ocean.
Very good. Theater and cinema, a visual one. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person, please. Via technical. Very good. Information technology. What is the name of the process of transforming data into an unintelligible form in such a way that the original data cannot be easily obtained except by using Manning's School?
Encrypting.
Encryption, judges. History. Which group of people built the city of Tenochtitlan after the decline of the Manning School? Aztecs after the decline of the Mayans. Correct. Mathematics. To the lowest term, what fraction of a circle is represented by 150 degrees? 5/12. Physics. What instrument is used to measure the internal diameter of a Via technical?
Spherometer.
A vernier caliper. A single measurement due to its great precision. Sport, a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Next one.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Jamaican heritage. Bunker Hill in Trelawney was originally Via technical.
William Kettering.
No, we wanted to know the year it was renamed, 1775. French, what is the English translation for the French mon poignet fait mal? My wrist hurts. Literature, who wrote Dracula? Via technical.
Bram Stoker.
That's right. Art, who created the 17th century oil painting The Return of the Prodigal Son? Via technical.
Rembrandt.
That's right. Bible knowledge, name the Christian couple that Paul worked with in Acts. Manning's.
Priscilla and Aquila.
That's right. Biology, what is peculiar about a person with a condition known as polythelia? They have 3 nipples. English language, a silhouette, a dark shape seen against a light background. Spell the word silhouette. Manning School.
S-I-L-H-O-U-E-T-T-E.
Very good. International affairs. Which country became the first to identify and categorize orphanage trafficking as a form of modern slavery in 2018? Australia. And that bell signifies the end of the final challenge. and indeed the end of the match for this evening. Scores look to be Vere Technical on 20 points, Manning School on 31 points. Here now is the answer to the Digicel viewers' question. The answer is Yalitza Aparicio. Congratulations to our winners. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.